Today's video is Classic Caillou makes a fake emergency alert grounded.
Enjoy the video.
I forgot I'm going out of town to Oregon tomorrow. I want to watch some TV.
Coming up next, Dora the Explorer.
What I don't want to watch Dora Rosie like this channel. I know I am gonna make a fake emergency alert after he went to the Weather Channel's headquarters. I'm gonna take the elevator. Oh my gosh, why is this body glitch happening now? I have to wait until it stops. Now I have to go into the main entrance. Nobody is here. Now I'm going to make this.
Not so fast, what do you think you are doing?
I'm going to send you out.
Oh no, you don't.
Now it's time to make this.
Back with Rosie. Oh, but I cannot make this part to be censored because this thing is going to be under 18. This channel is great. Wait, what happened to the channel? I've gotta get my parents. After she got her parents. Oh, you back, Classic Caillou?
Yes, I'm back.
But why are you came from?
I was walking with the dogs. Then I just saw the Amber Alert.
Oh, thanks for letting me know. I'm going to take you to Chuck E. Cheese's soon.
Finally I get to go to Chuck E. Cheese's.
No, you not. You was at the Weather Channel headquarters. Classic Caillou, how dare you made a fake emergency alert. That's it, you are grounded for 7 million jail prisoners.
Washington. Group vase.
And stop acting weird. Subscribe for more videos.